Backing up your GoDaddy website is a crucial step in protecting your online presence from data loss or corruption. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of backing up your GoDaddy website step by step. To start, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the website you want to back up. If you have multiple websites, select the one you want to back up from the list once you are on the website dashboard. Click on the Manage button next to the website name. The next step is to access the File Manager. The File Manager is where you can view and manage all the files associated with your website. To access the File Manager, click on the File Manager tab on the top navigation bar. Once you are in the File Manager, you will see a list of all the files and folders associated with your website. To back up your website, you need to download all these files to your local computer. You can do this by selecting all the files and folders and clicking on the Download button. Another way to back up your GoDaddy website is by using the built-in backup tool. This tool allows you to create a full backup of your website, including all files, databases, and settings. To access the backup tool, click on the Settings tab on the top navigation bar and then click on the Backup button. When creating a backup, you have the option to choose what you want to back up. You can choose to back up your files, databases, or both. You also have the option to choose the backup format, such as zip or tar. It is also important to note that GoDaddy offers automatic backup services for some of its plans. If you are subscribed to one of these plans, your website will be automatically backed up on a regular basis. In addition to backing up your website, it is also important to back up your database. Your database contains all the dynamic content of your website, such as user information and blog posts. To back up your database, you need to access the database management tool, usually phpMyAdmin. In conclusion, backing up your GoDaddy website is a simple process that can be done in a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your website is protected from data loss or corruption. It is recommended to back up your website regularly, ideally once a week, to ensure that you have the latest version of your website in case something goes wrong.